You say you're getting sloppy going smaller. Yep, let me fix it. Is everybody ready?
Yes.
Here we go. Here's your fix, master class. You are not following your own rules. You're not trading it the same. So by going in smaller, you're all over the place. You're letting your stops go all over. You're way too loose. You wouldn't do that with a large size. Why are you doing that with a small size? You're acting ridiculous with it, right? Trade the trade like you're supposed to, but with smaller size. Smaller size does not mean bigger loss on the small size. Oh, well, I only have 100 instead of 500, which means I could lose the whole thing and I'd still be better off than if I was trading with $500. Does that sound appropriate? Nope.
Sir. Nope.
Stop changing what you're doing. The small position is just supposed to allow you to let it work, you not to freak out. You're not in a million trades. You allow it to do what it's supposed to do. That's all. Now that we've gone through those two questions, number 3, are you finding you're profitable where you weren't? Or are you getting more green days than you were red before? Is it starting to change the way you are trading and your portfolio overall? That's the most important part. Go.
Yes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Green day since we started,
Yes.
coach. Every day.
Yep.
Way more
With a
green
better
days than
journal.
red.
Good.
If I have to sell, I sell. I don't care. I come back. I have enough power to buy again and come back and make it happen.
It's
I can
beautiful.
stay in longer.
Yes.
Easier to stay in longer.
Yeah, and that's the part I love is the staying in longer, because if the trade is going your way, the smaller amount mentally will allow you to let it go. Now you guys are going to start to notice, and this will be the next part on your journeys. We're 12 days into this month. Here's the next part. Are you guys ready to add on to what we're doing? Now that we're halfway through the month, we're going to unlock the next mental level to becoming a professional trader. Here we go. Ready? Get out your pens and papers. Now what you guys are going to find is when that small amount becomes a large amount on the trade, not the account. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but on the trade itself. So let's say you were in that Tesla yesterday. Your small account became a large amount. The issue is you're going to find that now mentally you're going to be back in the state where you were before, which was, oh crap, now I'm in this large amount, and it's going to start to freak you out, right? It's going to put you right back to where you were. So if your 100 became 1,000 yesterday, where the 1,000 was too large before, you're going to start to get back into that mindset. But what I need you to do as a professional trader, and this is going to change everything you do, so listen to the sound of my voice. I want you to treat that like it's still the $100 trade. You're still allowing it to work. You're still collecting profits only when you're supposed to, not because it's the biggest trade you've ever been in. That doesn't mean shit. That means nothing. There will always be times you'll be in a bigger trade than you've ever been before, because the better you become, the more you'll let it run. So if your 100 became 1,000, you're not allowed to freak out. And this will be the next mental part. So this is part 2 of the whole thing that we're doing this month, right? So you got the basics down. Small position sizes, followed the rules, stopped out the losers, and let the runners run. Next phase. Now that trade is becoming larger, because it will. If you guys have noticed, your trades before were maybe 10, 15, 20, sometimes if you're really lucky, 30% of what you did on that trade. Now you're starting to see it's 30, 40, 50, 60, sometimes 100 or more percent on the trade. You would have never done that before. Now I need you to mentally get in as a professional trader. So every day we're going to be thinking about how you're going to become this professional trader. It's allowing it to run forever, because now your 100 gets to 1,000. In the same day, that 1,000 could become 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Leave it alone. Stop panicking. Stop going, oh, I'm green, get it out. Oh, I'm green, get it out. Oh my gosh, I've never made this much money before. Get it out. Oh, I hit my target goal for the day. Take it out. Oh, I said if I made $300 today, I'm just going to take it out. I'm going to walk away. No, you're not. You're not doing none of that bullshit. The trade is still working. Leave it alone, right? Who cares? Let it go. Stop messing around with it. Stop dinking around with it. Stop taking all the money off there. You don't need to do that. Let it go. Every time it pulls back, do exactly what you're supposed to. Shed 50, 20, 20, 10 until you are so freaking comfortable with this thing. Your last runner's running till freaking 3:58 p.m. I don't recommend that. Try to get out as early as you can, especially if you got time decay and all this stuff. But what I'm saying is stay in the freaking trade, right? I want you to become become a professional. And to do that, we've got to change our minds. And we can't do that until every day we continue to work on this process. So this is phase 2. Moving in, we've got 2 phases. So if you guys still haven't got phase 1 yet, you got the rest of the month to get this working. I'm not asking a lot. I'm asking you to follow all of my rules, not some. You don't get to tweak bullshit. You don't get to do nothing but follow the rules, small position size. That's it, right? That's it. You don't get to change shit. You don't get to add your own flair. That's out the window. Bye. Right? It's all gone. Bye-bye. So phase 1, follow the rules, small position. Phase 2, once now that you're in those trades longer, leave them alone. Go buy the mouse pad. Keep your dirty hands off the mouse. Makes sense? Are we all in agreement? That's what we're going to do now for our accountability for the rest of this month is you're going into phase 2 of becoming a professional trader. Yes?
Yes, coach.
Yes.
Good.
Mentally a pro trader.
Yes. And everybody's going to write that in your journals down, right? If you guys go back and you're missing a day on your journal, you're not following the rules. You don't get to do some. I said all. I know. Don't just stare at me. You need, I understand. And you're going to do it. I'm staring. I'm looking right at you. Get your journal out. What are you just sitting there for? Get the journal out. Write down what I just said. That's it. Write it down. Get it.
Coach, I'm writing it down. At one point, you said treat gains as a small amount.
When you get into those large trades, treat your mental state should still be it's a small trade in your head. The problem is when you guys start getting into these really large trades, you start sweating and panicking and freaking out and emotions take over and stop. It's not how this works because guess what? Eventually your $100 trade's going to be 1,000. Then you're going to lock that in. Your mental state will be right. Then your 1,000 is going to become 10,000. Then you're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I just made $10,000 today. You need to settle it down, control that shit. Because then I'm going to have your 10,000 turn into 50,000 in a day. And you guys have seen me do it time and time and time and time again with people. And then you're like, holy shit, coach, this can't be right. I made $50,000 today. Yeah. Then I'm going to turn your 50 into 100,000. Or you know what? Then you'll be a $100,000 trader. And again, I got to control your mind. So you're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it's $100,000, right? I could buy like 18 cars and do all this stuff because then I'm going to take your 100,000 and I'm going to make you $1 million trader. And we've seen that in here time and time again in a single day, people making $1 million. And guess what? They're still like, oh my gosh, I can't believe stop. Because then I have people, right, who've made almost $6 million in the same day. So again, your 50, 500,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 should trade the same. But until you can trade that the same, you can't move up. You don't get to take a $10 trade and start trading 100. You can't take 100 and start making a $1,000 trade. You can't take 1,000 and now it's a $100,000 trade. This is why I told you guys since day one, if I gave each one of you $100,000, 99% of you will lose every penny because you're not ready to trade at that level yet, right? Does this make sense? Are we all on the same page?
Yes, coach.
100%.
Okay, good.
Great advice, coach. Thank you.
Absolutely love this.
Yep. I mean, it's the biggest thing, and this will seriously take you from amateur hour to holy shnikes. This is the move. This is one of the largest lessons I've ever given. Perfect chef kiss out there. This is my gift to the world. This is what's going to take people to the next level. Legitimately, this is what will change the game forever for all of you. So I take you from that infant stage where we're crawling, and this will take you to running, right? You will be sprinting. If you get these parts down. So this whole month, accountability, I'm going to be working you through it, and we'll get you to where you need to go.